Imagine yourself at a crossroads, facing a decision that could alter the course of your life. The key lies in understanding the power of the 10-10-10 rule. When you encounter a dilemma, consider how you will feel about it in 10 minutes, 10 months, and 10 years. This simple yet profound strategy allows you to gain perspective by evaluating short term and long term implications. By envisioning the immediate, near future, and distant outcomes, you can make more balanced choices aligned with your values and goals. Emotions often cloud our judgment, leading to impulsive decisions. The 10-10-10 rule helps you transcend fleeting emotions and focus on what truly matters in the grand scheme of things. Whether you're torn between career options, contemplating a major purchase, or dealing with a personal dilemma, this rule can be your compass in navigating life's complexities. It empowers you to prioritize what brings lasting fulfillment over instant gratification. Next time you face a tough decision, pause, breathe, and apply the 10-10-10 rule. Your future self will thank you for the clarity and thoughtfulness you bring to your choices.